Denmark is a pioneer in sustainable energy initiatives and has the goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2050. To meet this target, the Danish national grid operator, Energinet, has been continuously expanding and upgrading the country's electricity transmission network, and is one of the frontrunners in integrating wind energy into its grid. To reach its strategic goals, Energinet is collaborating with Hitachi Energy to install EconiQ gas-insulated lines, GIL, in its 420 kV substation, Revsing. Hitachi Energy and Energinet have been collaborating since the successful installation of 420 kV gas-insulated switchgear, GIS, for the Revsing substation in 2013. The partnership continues today with the substation extension project, adopting EconiQ eco-efficient technology. The Revsing substation is a vital connection point to the high-voltage direct current HVDC Viking Link interconnection that allows the exchange of electricity between UK and Denmark. The EconiQ GIL will avoid adding over 2,000 kilograms of sulfur hexafluoride, SF6, into the Danish transmission network, equivalent to the CO2 emissions of almost 5,000 cars for 1 year. The EconiQ high-voltage portfolio retains the best of SF6 while eliminating carbon footprint and is as reliable as the conventional solution. Hitachi Energy is supporting Denmark's carbon neutrality goals and is advancing a sustainable energy future for all.